And now it's time for the rebirthing ceremony. So this one would be a really good one to enjoy your prosperity tea and really soak it in and enjoy it and savor all of the beautiful herbs going inside the body to activate things on the outside of the body. You can also feel free to set your crystal grid and have it nearby, or perhaps wear your crystal along with it. You can even place some of the crystals in the water. The bath bomb is infused with lavender oil, King Solomon oil, and magnolia. Drop it in the water, watch it dissolve, and get your beautiful Aventurine crystal for heart healing and expansion. The desert rose is not to be put in the water as it's made from selenite. Also a good time for your ancestor call oil, 1 drop for past, present, future, into the water. Adding crystals like larvikite to the water to cleanse and purify anything that comes up, the indigo gabbro to heal, and the Shiva lingam to cleanse. Even the cowrie shell can be added for communication with the ancestors and purification. If you've been enjoying your tea, you can add a little bit of the tea to the water itself for extra infusion. I love adding drumming and sound infusion into the water, as water is a conductor and will carry the sound into my own body. When you allow yourself to enter into your blessed bath, I recommend allowing yourself to step into it as if you're stepping into a new way of being, a new birth of yourself. Think about it. When we're born, we are born out of the water. And every time that we allow ourselves to have an aura bath, it allows us to cleanse not just our body, but our whole essence, our auric field, our energy field, and all of the emotions and experiences that we felt. We have a chance to wash those away. Really focusing in on this intention will actually allow your body, your mind, and your spirit to connect and release all the things that have been holding you back, keeping stagnancy, keeping that scarcity, retractive mindset. So as you go in the bath, don't forget to get your head and go all the way under. And when you come out for that first bit of breath, allow yourself to really breathe it in. Breathe in the life, breathe in the light, and allow yourself to receive all that has already been trying to flow to you if you only let it flow with you. I love you guys. And